In order to install the Arduino IDE integrated development environment, you will proceed as follow now. First of all, you will open any browser, and in that browser, in the address bar, you will type arduino.cc and press enter. As soon as you do that, you see that it is written hardware, software, etc. You will click on the software. Once you click on the software, you browse downward, and click on the Windows 10 in general, the Windows 10 or newer version. So you will click on this, and immediately you will see a screen, and you just move down and click on the just download. Again, you just move down and click on the just download, and this will be downloaded. You will see here, as you see here. Once it is downloaded, you just right click on this and see that it is in the show in the folder. It will be shown you in your folder, and once it is shown you in the folder, you copy it by right click on this, copy this, and paste it anywhere in any of the drive. So I am taking my this software, and I am copying it in this by right clicking it and then pasting it. Once it is pasted, you have to simply double click on this, and you will be given so many screens, and in every screen you have to simply say yes, 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 yes. You already know how to install any software, so I need not say further. Installing is not a difficult process. Double click on this. Once you double click on this, then you will be shown I agree. So you click on the I agree. It is for everyone or for only one me. Click it on the anyone. Yeah? Then proceed with the next. As you proceed with the next, it will IDE. They say you allow this application to change the device. You have to say yes. Everywhere you have to say yes, and then you agree to certain things. Now here it is very important here that it is asking you to install in the in somewhere. Initially, of course, it will be asking you to install in the C drive, but then you browse from here, and go to the any other directory, and you see say this is a this one, and then I have one directory which is called as I have created one directory in the D drive, and it is being called as the Arduino installed. So I'll be just choosing this and then say it is okay. And if some folder is not there, then you can create your own folder and choose that folder, and then click on the OK. So now just install. Video is small. It is now you see it is installing fast. Previously it down finish it. And don't remove this tick mark because it will be installing so many other things also. When you finish it, it will run the Arduino IDE. It is loading something. And it has started the Arduino. It was downloading the updates are available. It will say there that updates are available on some of your libraries. So you just see install all. Certain libraries will be required and they will be installed. So for the we will wait for the libraries to be installed. Installed everything, and therefore now I close it, and this is the icon it has created here. I drag it from this portion to my desktop uh, taskbar, and I can remove it from here. I can remove this from here.